My name is Zachary Uzodema, and I graduated from Mechatronics Engineering program here at Alamance Community College. Mechatronics is where mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering combined. My favorite part in working in Mechatronics is the fact that I can be able to fix something and see it working again. That's the best feeling ever. The low cost was good for me as an international student, so it gave me the advantage of finishing my school earlier and diving into the job. Here at ACC, people are always ready to help you. Instructors are always there for you and available at any time. Today, I'm really grateful that I'm still here, and enjoying the community. We have a lot of hands-on equipment on campus that helps students imitate the real world. I think the future is very bright. The robotic world is fast growing, and knowing how to program them and knowing how to fix them is something that industries are looking for today. If you want to deal with robots, Mechatronics is the place to be.